Good. AJ, how do I find the maximum of this one? Good. You put it into Desmos. I need everybody to do that now. Go ahead and type that into Desmos. Negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. Negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. And Owen, tell me what the maximum of that one is. Do y'all agree with that? 3? Okay, so the maximum of this one is 3. Then it tells me I have a quadratic, tells me I have a quadratic function here in the table. Anybody know what I should do with that? Stat. Okay, so in your calculators, get them out if you need to. Go to stat. Pull them out of your book bag. Go to stat. -5, -4. -3 and -2. -41, -20, -5 and 4. All right, I'll give you a few more seconds to type it in. All right. Sorry, people are still typing. Okay, I want you to hit stat again. Then I want you to go over to calc. And again, what did the word problem say this one was? Quadratic. Which one of these is quadratic? 5. You go down to number 5 and you press enter. And you have choices. You can do what we've done before where you go to the y equals, vars, 5, EQ. You can do it that way. Or you could type it in, you could write it down and type it into Desmos, okay? So I prefer to write down what the calculator's given me. So y equals -3x squared minus 6x plus 4. So that's how you would write it, -3x squared minus 6x plus 4. And then I prefer to type that one into Desmos underneath the other one. -3x squared minus 6x plus 4. Oh, sorry, I never typed the other one in. -x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, what's the question asking? Which one has the smaller? That would be on my graph, the black one. So if I come over here and look, the black one is the very first one. And so what is the maximum of this one? 3. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay. Maximum, smaller maximum is 3. Okay. All right, last one. You have 2 different functions. You have f of x and you have g of x. Can you put them in the calculator all at the same time? No, you have to do it 2 separate times, okay? Let's have this side of the room do f of x, Samara's row do f of x, Emerson's row do g of x, and Leah's group do g of x. So if you're doing g of x, you're putting this one in stat. If you're doing f of x, you're putting that one in stat. You're putting these things in stat, these 2 things. Okay. All right. Does anybody already have f of x, what the function is? What is it?
It's x squared plus, minus 6x plus 4.
Okay, y'all need to write that down. X squared minus 6x plus 4. Anybody have g of x? Uh-huh.
Negative x squared minus 10x minus 24.
Do y'all agree with that? Okay. All right. And Tamika, what should I do with these two things now? Put them in Desmos and look at the picture. All right, last one, guys. X squared minus 6x plus 4 and negative x squared minus 10x minus 24. Okay. All right, so if you look at it in Desmos, Charles, do both functions have a maximum? No, so A, you need to mark out A, guys. One of them has a max and one of them has a min, okay? Laurite, it says g of x has a larger y-intercept. G is the blue one. Does it have a larger y-intercept? So let's look. Let's see where it crosses the y. Where does it cross the y at? Okay, what about the black one? Where does it cross at? 4. So is it right or wrong? Wrong. So B is wrong. Okay. Gabby, C says f of x has zeros at negative 6 and negative 4. F of x is the black one. Gabby, does it have zeros at negative 6 and negative 4? What's another word for zeros? Do you remember? X-intercepts. So does this one have x-intercepts at negative 6 and negative 4? No, so it's not C, okay? And Andre, what about the blue one? Does it have zeros at negative 6 and negative 4? Yes. So the answer is D, okay?